Teacher, bawal po ba mag-celebrate ang mga Muslim ng Happy New Year or Merry Christmas? Pakisagot naman po. Thank you. Okay. Hindi ako magbibigay ng sarili kong opinion, pero pakinggan natin tong video na to na kung saan pumukaw ng atensyon ko, and this is legit talaga na ganitong-ganito yung aspect or pagtingin ng Islam sa Christmas. Panoorin natin to.
Did you know that Muslims honor the story of Christmas too? Just in a very different way. Every December, people ask me, do Muslims believe in Christmas? And the real answer is more beautiful than people expect. Muslims don't celebrate Christmas as a religious holiday, but we absolutely honor the story at the heart of it. In fact, Maryam, or Mary, the mother of Jesus, is one of the most honored women in Islam. An entire chapter of the Quran is named after her. Her story is told with dignity, strength, and miraculous faith. And Isa, or Jesus, is one of the greatest prophets in Islam. We believe in his miraculous birth, we believe in his message, we even believe he spoke as a baby to defend his mother's honor. So while Muslims don't observe Christmas rituals, we deeply respect the figures that Christmas is built around. Because Islam teaches us something important. Respect doesn't require imitation, and appreciating another community's joy doesn't mean adopting its rituals. In a diverse world, these shared stories remind us that we can stand firm in our faith and still treat others with kindness and understanding.
Napakalinaw talaga na explanation ng babaeng to. Well, hindi ako nakontento doon, no? May nakita pa akong isang post ng isang scholar ng Islam na kung tawagin ay si Ustad Isa Javier, no? Kilala talaga siya dito sa Pilipinas as Islamic scholar or scholar ng Islam. Actually, shared post pa ito ni Robin Padilla, no? Ang point niya dito, haram or bawal sa amin mag-celebrate ng Christmas. Pero, pwede kaming dumalo doon sa mga relatives namin or kamag-anak like me na Christian yung side ng mama ko. So, pwede akong pumunta doon kila mama hindi para mag-celebrate ng Christmas, kundi para ipalaganap yung love, yung respect. Pupunta kami doon to show the respect. Yun lang. Pero hindi kami makikipag-celebrate, makikipaghandaan, hindi ganon. Avoid celebrating Christmas para sa aming mga Muslim, ha, kasi lumaki na ako kay Papa, side kay Papa ko Muslim, so side kay Mama ko Christian. So yun itong point nung post na to. So pwede kami pumunta doon to show them the respect. Yun lang. Respect and spread love. Assalamualaikum.